When you hear the words gaming keyboard, what usually comes to mind is a large, bulky full-sized mechanical keyboard with all the bells and whistles that have been added by the manufacturer to give it a more gamer look. But not all gamers are built the same. Some prefer a much more minimal approach to their keyboards, and that's where low-profile slim mechanical keyboards come in. The main difference between low-profile and normal keyboards is the height. The greatly reduced height is achieved by modifications to different parts of the keyboard to make them a significantly lower profile and more ergonomically friendly. In a nutshell, a low-profile keyboard is a keyboard that is shorter in height, with switches that have shorter travel for actuation. Low-profile keyboards are derived from laptop and notebook keyboards, where they try to mimic the same type of portability and ergonomic feel. The low-profile switches are usually faster to actuate and generally feel faster to press than a traditional mechanical keyboard. Once you get used to it, your typing speed can also dramatically improve as another bonus. Low-profile switches can come in all the same flavors that regular switches come in. Rubber cum, mechanical, and optical options are available. However, there are a lot of options to choose from when you decide to buy one. But no worries, we have got you covered. We have curated a list of top-quality low-profile mechanical keyboards for you so it becomes a breeze for you to decide. Let's jump in. Corsair K70 MK.2 Low Profile and Corsair K60. The K70 MK.2 is actually a full-size keyboard with all the bells and whistles of a traditional gaming mechanical keyboard. The fully featured K70 and is equipped with a volume wheel as well as a USB pass-through, things you usually won't find in other low-profile keyboards. The K70 has fast and reliable cherry low-profile switches, so gamers will be hard-pressed to find any faults with this keyboard. It comes with a thick and clunky cable that will tend to get in your way more than other keyboards. The keycaps don't have the best fit on the low-profile switches and tend to wobble more than I would like. But the K70 is an extremely popular keyboard among gamers, and we feel Corsair has made a respectable low-profile version of the same keyb. The K60 is similar to the K70 MK.2, albeit with some of the media features omitted. Redragon K618. Redragon has always been the budget gamer's best friend, and now they have thrown their hat into the low-profile keyboard game. The K618 is a great budget wireless keyboard. It's got both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity options, so you can even game wirelessly with respectable latency. While not as well built as the G915 TKL, the Redragon K618 actually has almost all the same features, at a fraction of the cost. If you're looking to not spend too much on a low-profile keyboard, the Redragon K618 is worth checking out. The cost cutting has to come from somewhere. The K618's key feel and build quality leave a lot to be desired. Vissles LP85. The best way to explain the Vissles LP85 is to say that it's the furthest thing from a gaming keyboard. But it's a really great looking low-profile keyboard. It's almost reminiscent of a MacBook Pro's keyboard, which is great to type on. In line with this design, the LP85 is mostly aimed at Mac users who are more work than play. It's got respectable build quality for the price, and sports optical low-profile switches. The keycaps are so very Mac-y and feel great to type on. If you're in the market for a clean-cut low-profile keyboard to add to your work setup, the Vissles LP85 might just be for you. Razer DeathStalker V2 Pro TKL. The Razer DeathStalker V2 Pro TKL is Razer's counterpart to the Logitech G915, a top-end, low-latency, low-profile wireless gaming keyboard. While the DeathStalker does deliver on that original premise and is a competitor to the Logitech G915. The higher market price, the lower battery life and the mushier/wobblier key feel puts it below the G915 for me. Fnatic Streak65 LP. The Streak65 from Fnatic is an awesome little 65% keyboard that's primarily aimed at esports players. It's a superbly compact low-profile keyboard that has a great design that doesn't feel overly gamery while still managing to look unique. Its build quality is top of the line, with an all-aluminum case that keeps it light and strong. It also has PBT keycaps that have a high quality and durable legend. The Streak65 uses KL low-profile switches that sound and feel great. The keyboard is also packed with foam inside, which greatly helps its acoustics. Overall, Fnatic's great attention to detail makes the Streak65 stand out from the competition. Keychron K1 and K3. The K1 is the TKL, tankless, version, while the K3 is smaller and is a 75% keyboard. While not 60%, both the models fit the bill for a low-profile keyboard. Keychron has been in the mechanical keyboard game for years, and they have been steadily improving. The K1 and K3 are a true testament to their progress. Both the keyboards are hot swappable, and Keychron offers Keychron low-profile switches on their website which can be linear, tactile, or clicky. It's a nice touch that you can swap out the included switches for whatever low-profile key switches you like, and it's not always a commonly seen feature among low-profile keyboards. Both the models support wireless connectivity, with the K3 having around 99 hours of battery use with the backlight off, and around 34 hours with the backlight on. You can pair both the K1 and K3 with multiple devices, with the K1 allowing 3 and the K3 allowing 5. The wireless mode works seamlessly across any type of device, and you will have no hiccups when using it wirelessly. However, it has to be said that gaming on wireless mode is not the greatest idea, as its measly Bluetooth connection is unable to provide the latency necessary for gaming. Apart from somewhat minor downsides like ABS keycaps instead of PBT, lacking adjustable feet, the Keychron K1 and K3 are remarkable low-profile mechanical keyboards and should be in consideration. Logitech G915 TKL. The G915 TKL is hailed as one of the best low-profile keyboards out there, and for good reason. Logitech's wireless lightspeed technology provides the G915 with ultra-low latency in gaming, which puts its wireless capabilities well above other keyboards. Logitech uses their GL low-profile mechanical switches, which are much better designed compared to their regular Romer G switches. The keys press well and feel markedly better than those in the Corsair 70. The build quality of the G915 TKL is great, with brushed aluminum surfaces, and even a volume wheel that feels satisfying to use. The G915 TKL has well-adjustable feet, which is always a plus. The G-Hub software can be downloaded and be used to customize a whole host of features just to your liking. All that said, there is a reason why the G915 TKL is so far down the list, and its price. At $240, it's a steep price to pay for a low-profile keyboard with proprietary switches. But if you're looking for a clean and well-built low-profile keyboard, the G915 TKL is an amazing choice. A low-profile mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice if your use case involves long hours of typing, gaming, or if you're seeking portability and an ergonomic design that is easier on the wrists. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates on our channel. Share this video with your fellow keyboard enthusiasts and geeks. See you in the next video.